Hi guys, welcome to my new series of How It's Made with me, Barry Macariu. Today I'm going to talk about a recent NARS project that I've done, and I want to take you on a journey, give you a better insight into what's involved in creating a project like this. So if we start from the beginning, walking around typical department store, looking at cosmetic counters, just seeing what's out there, seeing what's on the digital screen, seeing what's being advertised, and then I decided I wanted to do a lipstick. Saw a fantastic NARS one, full of detail, full of embossing, full of really nice features. This would definitely lend itself very well to moving image and stills. So once back in the studio, I wanted to come up with a good theme, a good idea for this lipstick. I wanted to have a liquid theme in this, a big splash of colour, something that was exciting, something that people haven't quite seen before, something unique. To bring this vision to life, I had to shoot the lipstick and the paint splashes. So we'll start off with the paint splashes. This was a project that I did previously. When I do these projects, I make sure that I overshoot, create lots of assets to be able to use for this very reason. Down the line somewhere, I always know that paint splashes, I can apply this to many other products. On this particular project, I used a simple white cube, something for the paint to impact on, to create a really nice splash, different patterns. Because it's a straight edge, I knew that down the line this can be applied to many other projects and these images will never go to waste. So once I revisited all the paint assets, I then shot the lipstick to have a really good fit with what I already had. Luckily for me, lots of straight edges, and the paint itself was already impacting a straight edge, so this all looked very realistic. So once I finished with the image, I sent it over to Vibe Studios, who I collaborate with often. They specialise in retouching, CGI, and I outlined the areas that I wasn't quite happy with. They addressed these areas, sent it back to me, and not only did they send one image back, but they sent one more option which I really liked, which had a very bright fuchsia pink purple backdrop, which I felt this worked very well. Slightly more commercial than the original image that I sent through, but it's always good to have more than one option, and this might appeal to a wider client base. So with the end result, I created something that I always set out to do. I played on my strengths. I'm a creator. I brought lots of assets together, made sure these assets work, created one unique image that can't easily be copied, something that stands out, something that's very hard to do. You do need specialist equipment. Obviously the Broncolor Scoro Pack freezes motion 10,000ths of a second to get that paint splash perfect. So all these other factors, using the Hasselblad camera, exceptional detail, creates a perfect one-off image that hopefully will stand out for a long time. So hopefully you found these insights into what goes into this project useful. I hope to share more with you very soon.